Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of this print on demand series, where we're going to teach you how to make money online using automation and print on demand. Last week we created a t-shirt that looks something like this. So it was a t-shirt with a slogan on it, all generated by AI and just put into a workflow that you can bulk generate products. We chose a t-shirt. You could choose any print on demand product you want. If you want to get hold of our learning platform, just comment the word POD below, just the word POD, and we'll send you the link to our learning platform within the next 15 minutes. If you have not seen part 1 of this video, please check out the link above, because that will make more sense in what we're doing. I'm not going to take you through the whole build because that's all explained in the first video. I really hope you like this one. So I am showing you in this video how you can make a shirt like this, and that it consists of 2 layers. So it's got a generated piece of artwork made by AI, and I'm showing you that all in this automation I have here on my screen. And the second thing that makes this cool is that's got an overlay of text. So I'm combining two layers together to create an artwork like this. Last week we just set up a simple database consisting of a slogan and a product type. So remember, slogan, and then it had a product type. For this one, what I would like you to make, I would like you to click on the little plus within your Airtable, then say plus, start from scratch. Then I want you to create 3 columns in your Airtable, one called prompt, one called text, and one called product type. So it's doing the same what we did last week, except it's got an extra field called prompt. I hope you see value in what I've been making for you here. Please like and subscribe, because it really helps out the algorithm push our videos out to more people. Okay, and that prompt is very important. Let me just go back to our automation. So I'm first, instead of mapping our original one, which was slogan t-shirts, I now have one called patterns with text. So instead of going for slogan t-shirts like it says here, that's the one that was on last week, then I'm going to go for pattern text. So I'm mapping a different tab within my database. And for the rest, it pretty much stays the same. I'm letting a slide create the text that I've put on my shirt. So that's a predefined text. Go to ChatGPT or go to Claude or any AI you want to use to come up with cool slogans. I'm using dad slogans in this case. Ask it to come up with quotes to put on the shirt and have corresponding DALL-E 3 prompts. We're using DALL-E 3. In next videos, we'll showing you how we can make really cool generated AI with Leonardo and with Midjourney. Just for this example, I'm using DALL-E 3. So it's grabbing the slide and putting that over the top. It's uploading it into our Google Drive. And again, in our other video, please check that out to fully understand how I built this. Now, the important part for this build is that we're going to go and have a look at this part. I have added a couple of modules in. The first being I'm talking to DALL-E 3. So I'm letting this whole sequence make an image in DALL-E 3. And it's going to give an output render of 1024 by 1024. That's going to be quite a small image. And it's going to be at 72 dots an inch. That's standard. So what I'd like it to do, I'd like to have that image at least be upscaled to 3000. So when it's 3000, it will be a better quality. It will make a cool upscaled image. And for that, I'm using this image upscaler, and you will have to put your key in here. And your key can be gotten from Deep AI. And we've just put $5 of credit in. And at Deep AI, you can get so many upscales for $5. It's ridiculous how cheap that one is. So this is an API that's just an external server that you're talking to that does the work for you and then passes the image back to you. So I've put my key in here. So my key's in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I just hit OK. And once that's loaded, it will grab the original image that we created in DALL-E 3. It will upscale it, and then it will say in the next module, because I'm trying to send it off to Printify once more, you know, like I did in previous step when I was trying to upscale my slide. So here it does the same. It grabs the image from here and it puts it into Printify. Then it does the same thing along this route, and it will grab the image that I've just upscaled and then put it into Printify. We'll put it on a t-shirt, So it's going to create a product here, and I'll show you that one in a second. And after that, it's just going to publish the product. So it's going to publish it straight from my Printify account. And in our case, we're running a Shopify store on the back end of it. And in our learning platform, we show you step by step how you can set this all up. So I'm just showing the basics of the automation here. If you're interested in learning more about AI, and especially with print on demand, it's really simple. And you know how much money you can make with print on demand. Just Google it and you'll see what kind of turnovers people are having or what kind of profits people are making. This one is publishing the product, but this one we do not need to forget because, like I said earlier, I'm just going to align everything just to make it a little bit more clear. So what we did here, we had an image that's being uploaded. That's the slogan, and here we're uploading a different image. So this is the robot. That's the robot face background, and this is the slogan being made. So what I want this module to do, I want this module to map both of them, but then in a certain order. So first I will have to do the robot, because that needs to be the one on the background, and over that I put my text. So I'm going for the t-shirt again, 5,000 gulden. I showed you how to do all the variants last time. I showed you the positions. I've shown you where you need to be on the X and the Y axis, how to upscale stuff or how to scale stuff to make it look good. Always just play around with that. But if I look in here, I can also see that I've got two images. So I'm just going to close this just to make it a little bit clearer for you. So when I said position, that's all. I'm going to just show you on the front position, we have two images now. So we used to have just the image of just the slogan, but now what we've added on an image on the background, and we're doing the same principle. We're putting it first. So it's uploading that one first, putting that one on the shirt, and it's going to put it right in the center, 0.5, 0.5 at a scale of 1.2. And remember, I said 360. That's where you have to rotate it to make it a standing image. So the angle is 360. So in this case, we have two images mapped over the top of each other, and this is how you can do this for every product you want to do. Now I just want to show you what you can look for within your Printify. If you do not use this upscale image, this upscaler here, if you don't use this upscaler here, I will show you in Printify. This is what an image needs to look like. It needs to be at roughly 3,000 pixels. That's just to give it a couple more pixels, and that Printify will not mark it as a low quality image. Opposed to if you upload it, the original upload would be 1024, 1024. So after the upscale goes to this, and that's a good image. And you can find this in the bottom left-hand corner within your Printify. So just go to your account and then go to My Files, and you'll find it in there. I hope you saw a little bit of value in what I've been building for you here. In our learning platform and in the upcoming weeks, I will be showing you how you can connect on all your marketplaces, Etsy, Google Shopping, Amazon, and a couple of other ones. And I'm not just going to show you how you can be selling on Etsy, but I'm going to show you how you can really build a brand, so how you can really build a Shopify store that works with Etsy, because that's just another sales channel that you're utilizing. We'll be using Amazon, and we'll also be using free Google Shopping, or even the paid version of Google Shopping. I will be showing you all of that. One of the coolest things that I want to be showing you is how you can turn your website into a money-making machine, literally. I mean, other than just having print-on-demand products, you could have custom products, and custom products are very, very hot. That is the kind of thing that I will be showing you, and I will showing you how you can do all of this on full autopilot. The only thing that you really have to do is open your Airtable and then just put in the prompts you want to be using for the images, and then another text for the text overlay, and then just let it run on 100% autopilot. All of these are generated by AI, all the slogans, all the prompts. Just play around with how you could do that, and I'd really like to see what you guys have been making. I hope to see you in our community sometime soon, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.